అమెరికాలోని న్యూజెర్సీ రాష్ట్రంలో ఇండియా బిజినెస్ అసోసియేషన్ ఐబీ ఆధ్వర్యంలో భారత స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ వేడుకలు వైభవంగా నిర్వహించారు. ఓక్ ట్రీ రోడ్ ఎడిసన్ నుంచి ఐసెలిన్ వరకు జరిగిన ఇండియా డే పరేడ్ లో ఎన్ఆర్ఐలు పెద్ద ఎత్తున పాల్గొన్నారు. చాలా మంది కౌంటీ మేయర్లు ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి హాజరయ్యారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా అనేక కార్యక్రమాలు నిర్వహించారు. పలువురు డ్రమ్స్ వాయిస్తూ అందరినీ ఉత్సాహపరిచారు.
भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय! मातरम! मातरम! नमस्कार अमेरिका एंड हेलो इंडिया। आज हम आए हैं हमारे इंडिया डे परेड में और हमारे साथ बहुत ही खूबसूरत आई वुड से कुड़ियां, लेडीज एंड ब्यूटीफुल क्राउन विनिंग I would say pride of India. They are all here. So I would like to ask, how are you guys feeling today? What's the vibe like?
The vibe is absolutely thrilling, and we are really having a very good time. The feeling of being independent and being a part of India is something divine. You know, you can't even think of like India से ज़्यादा बेहतर कोई और जगह नहीं. इसीलिए हम अपनी धरती को माता बोलते हैं और उसी को नमन करते हैं. तो आज हम उसी को नमन करने आए हैं यहाँ पर दूर परदेश में, लेकिन अपने दिल में जो हमारा जो इंडिया बसा हुआ है, हम उसको कभी भूल नहीं सकते. That's why we all are celebrating India's independence here in New Jersey, and we are very proud.
What is that one line that you want to say?
मैं जो कहना चाहूँगी, हमें अपने देश के ऊपर हमें बहुत गर्व है और हमें इसके कल्चर को, इसकी संस्कृति को संजोए रखना ये हमारा कर्तव्य है. और हम राजस्थानी कल्चर को जिस तरह से रोर राजस्थानी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इसको संजाए रखने की कोशिश करता है, दैट इज रियली अमेजिंग एंड वी ऑल शुड कीप आवर कल्चर अलाइव. जय माता दी एंड जय भारत.
We are all the way here from Rajasthan और मेरे सामने बहुत ही एक खूबसूरत और उम्दा I would say you're looking wonderful मैम. तो आज का ये जो वाइब है, हम देख रहे हैं बहुत धूप है, लेकिन फिर भी इस तड़कती धूप में आप इतनी खूबसूरत लग रही है. वो कैसे?
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द कॉम्प्लीमेंट जी. आई थिंक ये खूबसूरती है, ये चमक है, क्योंकि आज हम मना रहे हैं सब मिलके इंडिया इंडिपेंडेंस डे, एंड इंडिया इंडिपेंडेंस इज वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट. और आई थिंक भारत की धरती से हम बहुत दूर है, लेकिन वो जो कहते हैं ना, भारत हमारे दिल में धड़कता है. सो शायद वो धड़कन, वो प्यार, वो जो मोहब्बत है, वो हम सबकी आंखों में और सबके जज्बातों में दिखती है. सो आई वुड लाइक टू से एवरीवन Happy Independence Day from Roar, and we are so proud and we are so happy to be here.
आज हमारी एक खूबसूरत इंडियन महिला उनके वस्त्रों में है. मुझे आपकी ये पहनावट, आपका ये क्राउन जच रहा है. और आज के इस इंडिया डे फेस्टिवल और इस परेड में हाउ आर यू गाइस फीलिंग? व्हाट्स द वाइब? बिकॉज आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी, आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ स्माइल, ब्यूटीफुल लुकिंग लेडीज. हाउ डू यू गाइस फील?
We feel great and we feel very honored to be a part of this event. Obviously, it's a community where we are bringing together, trying to bring all our, the patriotism, the love for India, all in one place. So it's an awesome feeling.
I'm definitely excited to be here, and most of all, I'm proud to be here. I don't think I could say anything more than what these ladies have already said, but I will say, growing up here, I'm excited to be able to celebrate my culture where I grew up. So, yeah, Jane.
Welcome to the 21st IBA India Day Parade here at New Jersey, and we have our dignitary Preeti Pandya Patel.
Hi, how
How
are you?
is the vibe here?
Oh, I love it. I mean, every year I come here for the past, 14, 15 years, and every year it gets better and better. IBA has always done a great job, and I'm so proud to be Indian today. I've been here for the past 52 plus years, so to me this is amazing to be able to celebrate our heritage. I'm here representing the NJGOP, which is the Republican Party, with Jack Ciattarelli, who's going to be running for our governor. And I'm so excited. I'm just looking forward to celebrate with everyone. So happy Independence Day, everyone.
What do you have to say, Robert, when it comes to the vibe here? The Indians are super excited. As we all know, we are very loud, we are very enthusiastic.
And colorful.
And colorful,
And colorful.
yes. So how do you feel that today? What is the vibe that you are getting here?
I think it's a vibe of just pure happiness and acceptance and recognition that they're part of this bigger picture that's the story of the United States, and they're as much or as part of that integral fabric as anybody else. They are a quintessential part of this country, and we're thrilled to be here.
79th Independence Day, and for the organizers also, it's a magnificent event. Lot of people are here again, best wishes, and on behalf of Consulate General of India, so you can avail any kind of services for the consular service. You on Saturday also the application center has been opened in addition also. So best wishes for the parade. Thank you very much.
We support police. Police support Jack. We want to make sure that no sanctuary cities should be there.
Our Indian community support to Jack. Everybody, please vote to Jack ji. Okay?
Jack ji, wow. We love Jack.
Vote for Anjan. Anjan भैया का वोट करना पड़ेगा. Please, thank you. जय भारत माता की. भारत माता की.
My name is Pankaj Rana. I'm the president of Passaic County Senior Citizen Association. Also, I'm the PO of the Pisana. We are all organization. I'm the myself and Mahesh Patel is also vice president of Passaic County Senior Citizen Association. We all help for parade. Thank you.
It's a large gathering here for the 21st IBA parade in Addison, Ruby Township, and many people are here to celebrate, and it's a proud day, and freedom is being enjoyed over here.
I like to invite the chairman of Middlesex County Democratic Organization, Chairman McCabe.
Thank you very much, Mr. President, to the mayors, to all the elected officials up here, to all those who are here to celebrate what has become a wonderful day. This is a microcosm of what Middlesex is all about, bringing together. We celebrate where we come from, and that's something that we must treasure. And this is an example, an illustration of how that is to be played out.
Day one, he support all the community, Indian community, and always is there. We need the support. Anytime he is there. Thank you, Albert.
Congratulations, IBA, for arranging such a great parade. And luckily, God gave us very beautiful weather. So just enjoy. Thank you for coming over, and let us stay together, united and strong here, and keep up the culture, and encourage our children here, and be strong, and let us celebrate more and more Independence Days. Thank you.
Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! One day!
Thank you very much. That's a big honor for us. 100-mile day draw, and these are 25 people. I felt, although I met them first time, but I feel like a family. Thank you, Dol Tasha.
हम बिलोंग करते हैं टू द स्पिरिचुअल कंट्री भारत इंडिया, तो मैं तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूं आप सबकी. एंड थैंक यू धीरेन जी, सुप्रिया जी, भरत जी. दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली अ मैग्निफिसेंट सेलिब्रेशन. एवरीबॉडी, भारत माता की जय! Welcome to the 21st India Day Parade here at New Jersey. How does it feel to see India in America?
They say that if you take an Indian out of India, an Indian cannot be taken out of India heart. So India always stays with me, and this is just a demonstration of that. Everybody feels and feels India as well, and this is a demonstration of that.
It's so great to see the millennials and the Gen Zs standing in together. Let's all sing together. One day, mark it up. One day, mark it up. One day, mark it up. And as we say here in America, Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Welcome to the 21st year of India Day Parade here at New Jersey. How is the vibe here?
You see, this is a parade that is in Addison. Now you see everywhere like we are in USA, but I am feeling like I am in India. So this is my feelings. And you know that in the left of my side, he's running for Addison Mayor.
See, so he is also involved in our parade. So this is a diversity, and we love this country because of India, America, both are very good friends.
David, how does it feel to see India here in America?
It's great. As being a military member, I love being out here supporting your freedoms and your independence. So this means a lot to me, and I appreciate being invited here and being able to participate in this event. Thank you very much.
Sam, what is that one thing you love this year?
We love this here that USA and India is the good tie-up between these Indian people and the American people. So here you can see the vibes, and IBA, we are hats off to IBA. They are arranging every year this India Day parade, and we are salute this IBA organization.